What is up, everyone? I hope everyone's having an amazing day. So today we're making 5 pounds of garlic butter shrimp and some pork belly in air fry. Let's get it! Alright, y'all, so very simple. We just put some garlic powder in there, salt and pepper, and we're gonna start air frying this. But for the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and start with the garlic butter shrimp. Alright, y'all, so let's start melting the butter. Okay, so of course, in the garlic. And then in the onions. And same thing with the onions, guys. This is very simple to do. You gotta try this at home. You don't want to burn your garlic though, so what you do is you gotta turn down your heat. Alright guys, so now in all the 5 pounds of shrimps. Alright guys, so we're just gonna keep cooking this and we'll come right back to it. So for the meantime, let's check our salmon belly. It's looking good, y'all. We'll get right back to it. So guys, we got this Johnny seasoning like I always use. This is very flavorful. Not too much. And then fresh cracked black pepper. So it's pretty much cooked, guys. Actually, we added some chili sauce in here to enhance the flavor a little bit. Simple and easy, guys. Garlic, chili, butter shrimp. Okay, my foodies, let's check on our salmon belly. Booyah! It's almost done, guys. I'm just trying to make it a little bit more crispy. And when it's done, it's time to mukbang. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another mukbang show. Guys, we have 5 pounds of garlic butter chili shrimp right here. I made some of my seafood sauce, garlic butter seafood sauce right there. Dipping sauce, that is. And as you saw in the intro, we also made some air fried salmon belly right there. Oh yeah, check that out. And we have some, I was craving this. Pork belly in shrimp paste sauce right here. Alright, right there, y'all. We'll put that right there. And we have some calamansi juice po for drinks. Alright, I hope you guys have food in front of you so we can all eat together. It's been a while, guys. I just got back from Las Vegas. It was nice and hot and fun for the Manny Pacquiao fight. But now I'm back and it's time to mukbang again. Alright, Lord, thank you very much for all the blessings. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's begin this eating show, mukbang show. Put some more of that. A little bit of that sauce. Alright, let's do this. Oh, you know what? We're gonna go like this. Alright. We're gonna squeeze some fresh lemon juice right there. Alright. I see why a lot of people don't like shrimp, right? Because they have to peel it off. But what's the fun if you just get a deshelled one, right? It's not that bad. There you go. We dip it in that sauce right there. Oh yeah. Oh. This one fell off. Get back in there. So, kamusta na po kayo dyan, guys? How has everybody been? What? Let's try this omega-3. This salmon belly right here. No? Sarap nito guys. Oh, look at that. Winner, winner. Up. Sometimes it can be challenging to take the shell off the shrimp, man. Tagal eh. Okay. Just some more of this belly, yo. I don't have enough room because, damn, there's 5 pounds of shrimp here. Let's try it with butter sauce. Sayang, talo si Pacquiao, no? Pero, it's all good. Manny Pacquiao will be back. He should do a rematch. And then when he wins that one, quit. Because he is getting old. And age starting to catch up on his legs, man. Plus he overtrains himself. Hindi maganda yun. That's not good at all. When you overtrain yourself, you know. Oh yeah, right there, baby. Make this, guys, if you haven't tried this garlic butter chili sauce shrimp. It's good. Overload, man. Oh yeah. And we'll go like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Vegas was fun. Oh, by the way, guys, I don't know if you have me on your Facebook, but I finally met my mukbang idol, si Pambansang Kolokoy. Ang bait. Hindi masyadong nag-usap. Siyempre kasi nahiya ako saka busy rin siya. But we met briefly. And I think he had to leave. Pero mabait siya, guys. Very humble. Tsaka tahimik lang. Hopefully next time we get to hang out and actually get to know each other, you know. If you have me on Facebook, makikita mo yung picture na pinost ko na magkatabi kami. We're sitting, took a picture together. Yung bicycle ako, man. So that was an awesome, one of my highlights of vacation, on my vacation in Las Vegas. Time to drink calamansi juice, guys. Ooh, that was good. This is better. Look at that, huh? Nice big jumbo shrimp. Hope there was an easy way to peel this shrimp, man. My goodness. Sometimes it's a struggle. Well, that's dami, huh? That's a lot of shrimp. This pork belly is good, yo. Sarap. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that butter right there. What you do is you go like this. Like that. And then you struggle to peel this shell again. Oh, you know, there you go. Oh, right there. Look at that shrimp. Straight to the butter sauce and into my mouth. Oh yeah. It's been a while, guys. To me, 6 days is a long time not making a video. Why? Because I used to make like 2 or 3 times a week. But been busy at work, got back from the vacation, and all that stuff. But today, it's a must, yo. There. There you go. I didn't even do damage. Look at that. My goodness. Wow. Not even a damage, man. By the way, maraming salamat nga pala sa mga mga bago nating followers dyan. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you and thank you. I hope we reach 50,000 soon. Okay, we're at 44,000 plus, almost 45,000. So thank you guys for your support. Thank you very much. Woo! Alright guys, I finished my rice. And of course, when we do eating show, we don't have to eat everything because look, 5 pounds, oh my goodness. The family's gonna come in here and help me out. I just wanted to eat with you guys and chit chat a little bit because I have missed you guys so much, and I Haven't done this in like a week. So guys, thank you for watching again. Maraming salamat po. And until the next video, peace out. Always be safe. Bye-bye.